Hi, everybody.
She's awake. She's just in her box.
Scratching with Holly.
Her eyes are wide open because you're touching her.
Scratching with Holly.
Hi, what are you doing? I like that thing. That thing's fun.
It's a scratcher.
Look at those claws, Holly.
She needs a claw clipping.
But she's easy.
Look at them. Yeah, she's not as bad as her sister. Her sister, you come out bloody.
Holly just says, "Here you go. Can I have a manicure? Can I have a pedicure,
Look
please?"
at that. Yes, I want a pedicure. Oh, don't eat that.
Well, you put it here. What do you expect me to do?
Eat it.
I have claws and I have a mouth. It's the only two things I got. Wait, my claws.
And now I got some. Oh, I know my claws are too sharp.
I need my claws trimmed, she says.
All right. You just chew your claws and we're going to get some.
And you can have a pedicure later.
Yeah, I'll get your pedicure. Except for life, my favorite tickets.
Anybody see your new nails? Yeah, did they see anything else?
Just
Yeah, they
want
must
my
have.
new nails.
The pink and the purple sparklies.
Sparklies, sparklies. All right.
She's biting her
13
nails.
and 14.
Your favorite ticket?
Set for life. Win $5,000 a week for life. Haven't got that yet.
But we're
You
trying.
can win a coin, or you can win a star, which gives you 10 times the prize, or you can match a number.
All right, let's do it.
Yes.
Let's win.
These are 13 and 14.
New York State.
23, 2, 15, 18, 29, and chicken legs 11.
They scratch so nice and smooth, don't
They
they?
do. They're the best tickets all around. 2, 8, 11, 15, 23, 29. And let's look for one of those bad boys.
All right.
We have a 12. Nope. Oh, all around it. 3, 7.
One off, one off, one
Is
off.
this going to be 28? Oh, 27. And 26. So that looks like nothing on the first row. My, my.
There's your 28.
28. 18. 24. They're just teasing me. 25. I need a 29. There's a 13. I have chicken legs 11. Where's my number? There it is. 1. I have a 2. My goodness. 30. I have 29. They are just teasing me. 10. I have 11. Oh my goodness. There's 9 for the 8. And a 22 for the 23.
Wow, an entire card of one off.
Jesus. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is. Lucky ticket 13.
Jeez.
No win there, Holly.
Oh my.
You got your chicken leg sticking up in the air. Washing the belly. Washing the chicken leg, she says.
Oh, my leg got dirty.
Gotta wash the
My
chicken leg.
leg got dirty.
I keep my
Chicken
legs
leg.
Chicken leg in the air. You're
Clean
fine.
that baby up.
Oh, I do.
Okay. You're awake now. You could send me some Bengal luck. Our numbers are 3, 4, 21, 7, 19, and 18. Wow. 3, 4, 7, 18, 19, 21. Okay. Let's look for one of these guys. 20.
Oh, jeez. 3, 4, 7.
3, 4,
There's your
7.
5.
I have a 5. 27. Not today. 18.
Hey,
Ding, ding, ding.
Good job, Holly. All right, maybe life is under there.
All right. Maybe. And an 8. All right. So we have one win. And as you know, we can get much more than one win here.
Oh, yeah.
And it's 25 and a 30 and a 1. And none of those match any numbers. It's 29. And a little 2 to start our 3-4 run. 10. 15. No. 28. Nope. Another win.
2
3.
wins. Ding, ding, ding.
So we have an 8. No.
18.
18.
And a 3.
And 8. And 3. And 3. And a 6. So let's see what's under the 18. Come on. Big one. Big one. $10. Can't complain. And under the 3 is another $10. So that's $20. Woohoo! Break even on this set.
Live to scratch another day.
Yes, yes. All right, folks. Kitty has gone to bed.
She has. She's turned around.
Turned around and went to bed. I'll just look out the window and fall asleep.
And she will.
All right, folks. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And good luck with your scratching.